In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys something really powerful and incredibly useful. I'm going to show you guys how to create your own AI app using Google Opal completely free. And with this app, you'll be able to generate unlimited AI videos, no upfront payments, no subscriptions, just high quality videos made effortlessly. I'm going to walk you through the entire process from signing up, creating your app, and using that app to generate unlimited AI videos. I will also show you how to share your app with anyone so they can use it as well. If you're a content creator, this could save you tons of money and make your video creation process easy. So make sure you watch this video till the end to catch every detail. If this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like the one you are about to watch. Also, you can join my free AI community. I'll leave the link in the video description down below. It's completely free. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so the tool we are going to be using to create our own AI app that will help us generate unlimited AI videos for free is called Google Opal. So go over to Google and search Google Opal. Once you search, it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to scroll down here and click on this one here where it says Google for Developers. So just go ahead, click on it. So this is where it's going to take you. All you need to do is to scroll down here and click on Try Opal. So once you tap on it, it's going to load up and take you to the official website of Opal. So the next thing you need to do is to come over here, click on Sign In. This box is going to open up. Use your Google account to create an account. So just go ahead and select your Google account and proceed to sign up. Alright, so once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. So over here you can see build, edit, and share mini apps using natural language. Now Google made this platform completely free for anyone that wants to build mini apps just like the one we are about to create in this video. So if I scroll down here where it says your apps, this is basically where you see all the apps you have created on the platform. But if you scroll down here under the gallery, this is basically where you can see other apps created by other people. So if I scroll down here, you can see these are different apps created by different people, so you can get inspiration from them. So all I'm going to do right now is to come over here and click on Create New. Once I click on it, it's going to load up and take me right here. So this is where the creation takes place. This is where you will see the preview of the app. Once you build the app, it's going to show you a preview here. And over here, this is the chat box here. This is where you can describe the app you want to build, and the AI goes out and creates the app for you. So I'm going to provide the link of the prompt I'm going to use in this video inside my Telegram community. Go ahead, copy the prompt and use it to build your own app. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompt here. Now this is a very detailed prompt that I took my time to create. So once again, if you want to get access to this prompt so you can go ahead and create your own app, all you need to do is to join my free AI community. I'm going to pin the link to the prompt so you can just go ahead and have access to it and start creating your app immediately. So after pasting my prompt, I'm just going to come over here and click here. Once I click on it right here, you can see it loading right here. Remember, once the app is created, they are going to show us right here. So you can see here your app will appear here once it's ready. So let's wait for it to do a thing, then we'll come back and continue with the video. Alright guys, so the app has been created successfully. This is the app the AI has created for us. You can see the name of our app is AI Animator. It's basically take your image and animate it. So you can see here, animate your static images into captivating videos with AI. So all we need to do right now is to just go ahead and click on Start Using. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on Start. And here you can see upload your static image for animation. So all you need to do right now is to go ahead and click here. But before we do that, let's go ahead and generate our image. All right, so to generate our image, I'm going to make use of Google Gemini, but you can make use of any other AI. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompts right here, select create image, and then I'm going to go ahead, click submit. So we've generated our image using Gemini. I'm just going to go ahead, download it. Next, I'm going to come back here to Google Opal, click on this plus icon here on the app we created, click on upload from device. So I'm going to select the image, open it. You can see right here, this is the image. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and paste in my prompts here and tell the AI what I want the image to do. So I already have my prompts here. I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompt. You can see this is my prompt here. Once I paste the prompt, I'm going to just go ahead and click over here, and you can see right here it has started generating. You can see thinking here, generate video. All right guys, so the video has been animated. You can see here it says your animated video, and down here you can see there is a download button. You can just go ahead and download it, or you can regenerate it right here. But let's go ahead and take a look at what it generates for us. So guys, you can see this is the video it has generated for us, and you can see it's actually generated with sounds as well, high quality and professional. You can see it generates up to 8 seconds video. If you're not comfortable with the first generation, you can just go ahead and click on regenerate. So let's go ahead and do one more. Once again, I have generated my image here from Gemini. Remember, Gemini is also free for generating your images. So to generate another video, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this button here to restart the whole process. So I'm just going to click on it, and you can see here it's restarted. Next, I'm going to click on start again, skip this here, click plus, upload from device. I'm going to go ahead, select the image. I'm going to go ahead, paste my prompt right here. I'm just going to go ahead, click here, and you can see it trying to generate another video for us. So let's just go ahead and wait for the results. All right, so one thing I want to point out is that sometimes you will see something like this. So if you see a message like this, all you need to do is to go ahead and upload the image again. So this is the message. It says the objective specifies creating a video based on a source image, but no image was provided. Please upload the source image of the smartwatch or the intended subject. So this is probably an error. So all you need to do is to just go ahead and upload the image again. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm not going to type anything. I'm just going to go ahead, click on the arrow here. It will now be successful. So let's wait for the final results now. Wow, you can see how the video looks, guys. It is very high quality, and we have been able to create this app inside Google Opal completely free, and we can generate unlimited AI videos completely free with our own app. So that is basically how to create your own AI app that allows you to create unlimited AI videos completely free. Forget about Grok, forget about VO3, create your own AI app and continue creating your AI videos completely free. No upfront payments and no paid subscriptions. Now you have the power to generate unlimited high quality AI videos without limits. And the best part is that you can also share your app with others so they can use it as well. So thanks for watching so much. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like. And if you want to subscribe and see more of my upcoming videos, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video. You can also join my free AI community. I'll leave the link in the video description down below as well. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.